Email marketing, how to speak your customer's language. Hi everyone, I'm Cecilia, Elise, Wallin from Inventicity, the channel where we combine inventiveness with felicity. The topic for today's video is email marketing, how to speak your customer's language. We have previously in this course talked about how to give a great first impression, how to build your brand, how to dispose your website. And in this video we are going to talk about what happens when the customer has visited your website and given their email address, and you're going to start sending emails to your customer. So if someone gives you their email address to get your lead magnet, most often they also want to hear from you. They expect to get emails from you. So make sure to send genuinely helpful emails. And these emails, I suggest that they contain something really valuable. For example, links to booklets, to PDFs, links to videos and helpful resources. And I suggest that the text in your email isn't so condensed and long that it takes a lot of time for the reader to get through it, because then they might not read your email at all. When you write emails, first of all, don't make your email look like it is from an anonymous company. Use your ordinary name. For example, I use my name, Cecilia, Elise, when I send mails to my email list. And then use conversational copy, like if you're speaking, like if you're talking to a friend. Don't use long complex sentences. Don't use a complicated language. Use a simple, easy to understand, clear language. Use short sentences. Write in short paragraphs so that it is easy for your audience to digest what you are writing in your email, and so that they fast will move on till the resource you are sending them, which might be a video or another resource. And don't be afraid to send many emails. I am on many email lists, and I have often, when I am considering buying something, I get their freebies and I get on their email list, and then I consume their free resources to check if what they are delivering is of good quality. And when I see that what they are delivering in their freebies, in their emails, in their newsletters, in the videos they are sending for free to me, when I see that they are delivering great quality and that they are trustworthy, then I will buy the product from them. So if someone gets on your email list, they want to hear from you. Probably they want to buy your product. So send them emails with genuinely helpful resources, so that they can see that what you will deliver in your paid product will be even better. That's what I have to say today about how to write great emails and how to speak your customer's language. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!